Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Lovable to easily build apps and websites using AI and simple text prompts. No coding required. So let's get started. First, what is Lovable? Lovable is an AI-powered app and website builder that allows you to create complete projects simply by describing what you want in text. With Lovable, you can build websites, web apps, landing pages, dashboards, MVPs for startups, all by typing prompts just like chatting with an AI. To begin, open any web browser on your device, search for Lovable AI, and open the official website. Once the site loads, sign up or log in using Google, GitHub, or your email. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Lovable homepage. On the homepage, you'll notice two main areas. On the left-hand side, you'll see tabs such as Home, Projects, and Resources. On the right-hand side, there's a prompt box where you can type your requirements for your app or website. To start building, simply describe what you want in the prompt box. For example, create a modern landing page for a digital marketing agency with a hero section, services, pricing, and a contact form. After entering your prompt, click the Generate button. Lovable will analyze your request and automatically start building the project. Within seconds, it generates page layout, UI design, sections and components, navigation structure. You'll see a live preview of your app or website right on the screen. If you want to make changes, there's no need to manually redesign anything. Simply type another prompt, such as change the color theme to light mode. Lovable instantly updates the project based on your instructions. You can also edit text directly, rearrange sections, adjust buttons and forms, add or remove pages. This makes Lovable perfect for beginners. You can go from idea to a working project in just minutes. Once you're happy with your project, you can publish it online, share it with others, or continue refining it with more prompts. Keep in mind that some features may vary depending on your plan. That's it for today's video. Now you know how to use Lovable to build apps and websites easily using AI and text input.